Hi, welcome. In this video, we're going to talk more about the structure of a content provider agreement. I'm going to show you how the structure works, and if you're looking for something, where you should look for it. And yeah, if you're new to this channel, subscribe. Seriously, subscribe. You just press the button there and you subscribe. And if you like this video, like it. So let's go to the drawing board. As you can see, this is the agreement. We're not going to discuss the agreement yet, but I'm going to discuss the structure of an agreement. So most time when you have an agreement, let's say this is an agreement, most people don't realize is that the agreement has structure. So you have the intro, you have the body, and you have the outro. So that's simple, right? So when you look at, this is the intro, this is the body, and this is the outro. Call it whatever you want. This is where people put their signature. In this part, people put their information, like company X of person X, social security number of company number, doesn't matter. And then the important part, I'm not saying this one is not important. The important part is, why do you make an agreement? What's the goal of the agreement? What's the purpose of the agreement? This is really important. Why is this really important? If you know why, it can help you a lot when you have some, let's say a situation, and you do not know what to do and you didn't make an rule or agreement in the contract. You can always look back, okay, why did we create a contract? And if we go your way, do we meet the goal or do we meet the purpose of the contract? That's simple. Here, the articles will start. So article 1, article 2, all the way down. So this is the body. Most time you'll find agreement. Let's say in a content providing agreement, you have what kind of services are you going to provide, or they're going to provide you, and the price for the services, rules about copyrights, and termination of the contract. All those things, you find it in here. Thing is, in the outro, you put the name of the people who are signing the contract and attachment. In this case, we have some attachment, so you put it in it. Keep in mind, at the end of the body, most time you have rule of the government law. That's really important, because if you do it right, it's going to save you a lot of money. If you do not do it right, it's going to cost you a lot of money, especially if you want to go after a company. Or if someone comes after you, you can do some things in here to make sure that they cannot come after you or make it a little bit difficult for them. I'm just saying. So if you look at this, it's interesting. It's really is interesting. If you have question about it, what you can do is just go on a Discord and you can ask me question about it. So this is how the structure work. If you have question about it, like I said, go on the Discord, ask me directly. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe. Seriously, subscribe. See you in the next video.